Hello and welcome to Willow Junction. Happy Friday morning. I'm going to be showing you some updates to the layout that me and my wife are planning on doing in the next week or so. And stay tuned for that. And also at the end of the video, I will be doing a small train run. So with that, let's get started. Well, here we are at one of the sections of the layout that needs to be fixed up. As you can see right here, this is not leveled with the other table, and it is actually sitting on sawhorses, and I don't have the money to go get the wood to actually get it properly up right now. So what I'm thinking of doing is I'm going to get some foam board, and I'm going to get enough where it's going to level up to here, and that way it's leveled with the other table. And then I'm going to paint the tables green so it's like grass, and then make roads and everything else, which I think will be really cool. And I will show you on to the next one. And over here near the original table and this table over here, I am going to take these tables and I want to put them together so they're leveled with this table. But unfortunately, as you can see, they're not at the same height. And this one's on a folding table, and this is just the dining table. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some more foam board, and I'm going to put them on top and layer them on top and get them to the point where it levels up with this table over here. So that's the plan, so they're all connected together. So that's what me and my wife are going to be doing in probably a week or two. When I get a pretty good pay, I'm going to get some stuff and start working on it. And she's also willing to help me with the layout. So she will probably be in a video. So stay tuned for that. And that's basically all I plan on doing so far. And then I'll get to work on the landscaping and we'll go from there. But for now, let's get on to that train run. Well, folks, that'll do it for this episode of Willow Junction. If you liked my videos, please like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, please share my videos. That'd be greatly appreciated. But until next time, I thank you so much for watching. You guys all have a great day. Bye for now.